everyone, in this video we'll talk about mutual funds. Now, when you hear the word mutual funds, what comes to your mind?
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार जोखिमों के अधीन है। योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।
It is true, but the mutual fund has various other things attached to it as well. So we'll talk about that briefly in this video. So for example, let's say you have 2000 rupees and you want to invest in. So mutual fund, first of all, mutual fund does not invest only in stock market. It invests in bonds, government securities, commodities like gold and silver, oil, etc. So we'll talk about stock market mutual fund, equity mutual funds they are called here. So let's say you have 2000 rupees and you want to invest in stock market. So if you want to buy a share of MRF, let's say, as we all know, MRF share price is way higher than 2000 rupees. So you won't be able to buy a single share of MRF just because you only have little amount of money. Now what comes into picture here? The picture mutual fund comes into picture here because mutual fund guarantees that if you have little money, even then you can invest in variety of companies at the same time. I'll tell you how it works. Now basically there are three ways to invest in stock market. First of all, do it yourself. You analyze the companies and do it. But there is a risk attached to it. It's such that because if you analyze a company not good enough, you might incur losses and they might be very heavy. Second is hire a financial manager. But financial managers are expensive. So if you have 2000 rupees and you want to hire a financial manager, the fees of financial manager alone will be more than 2000. So it won't be possible. So the third option is mutual fund. So what mutual fund is, like I am a small investor, okay? I have only 2000 rupees to invest. So there will be variety of other people who will be having little amount of money to invest, but they want diversification. So what it will do, it will gather money from such people and it will accumulate a pool of money, which will be known as asset under management. So if I give 2000 rupees to the mutual fund manager and around 99 other people give 2000 rupees, so what it will have? It will have 2 lakh rupees. So with 2 lakh rupees, you very well know that you can invest in a lot of companies. So mutual fund does this thing. With little money, you can have higher diversification. So in 2000 rupees, I can invest in MRF, at the same time CEAT Tires, at the same time Reliance Jio and various other companies. How? 2 lakh rupees it gathered, okay? Now the job of mutual fund manager is to pick those companies which he'll think will perform better in the future and invest this pool of money into it. Now benefit is that you can borrow out your own money whenever you want. There is no fixed time at which you have to keep your money for a stipulated amount of time. So mutual fund has this advantage. Now there is a brokerage ratio associated with it of around 1 to 2% on the total amount of money that has been invested in mutual funds. Now mutual fund has a slight disadvantage such that the whole profit or loss of your money depends on mutual fund managers, because let's say if your mutual fund manager is more risk averse, then he'll invest in money in schemes that are less risk and provide low returns. So in that way you will get returns, but they won't be as high as you want to. You won't get rich quick. So that is a little disadvantage. Now the average mutual funds holds around a different 100 securities averagely. So let's say for one particular day Google performs badly. If you have Google company in your stock portfolio, mutual fund portfolio, and Google performs badly, let's say Google incurs around 20% loss on a particular day. So if Google stock price fell 20%, do you think that you will be facing a loss of 20%? No. Why? Because at the same time, your mutual fund manager has invested in a variety of other companies. So for example, if he has invested in Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, Apple, so if Google goes down by 20%, at the same time Microsoft might be up 5%, Apple might be up 3%, and Yahoo might be down 2%. So your cumulative loss will be 22 plus 2 minus 5 minus 10 example. So you won't be facing a loss of 20% on a single company. So that is an advantage of mutual fund. Friends, in this video we talk briefly about mutual funds, what mutual funds are, and in the next video we'll talk about the types of mutual funds there are. There are various types of mutual funds. So in the next video you'll get to know about each and every single one of them. Thank you for watching this video, and please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel if you want to receive more such videos in the future.